What is up, plant nerds? We're in the jungle greenhouse today with my best buddy Cameron right there. And she placed a rare plant order here just recently. We're going to take a look and see what we got in. So Miss Cameron's been kind enough to clean our little table up out here because sometimes she and I make quite the mess when we're back here potting up stuff. But show us what you got in, Miss Cameron. I see you got some pretty baby little Thai constellation monsteras here. Those look awesome.
We got in a few ties. We got in another.
Ooh,
this
I
is
like
an Anthurium.
that.
I'm not really familiar with it.
Yeah, I forget that one too. I saw it on your order list. Is it Yeah, Vitelliforium. I don't know how to say it.
I don't know how to
but
say
I saw
it
that
either.
BITT on the side. That's cool.
But this one is pretty cool.
I think this is what they call like a strap leaf Anthurium. And the leaves get huge on this thing too. That's awesome.
Yeah, I'm definitely excited to watch it grow.
Yeah, that's cool, man. How's the root system on all this stuff? Oh,
Oh,
nice.
it's pretty nice.
Let me get a close-up of that. Sweet. So what we'll do, well, all the plants that we just got in, we're going to pot them up into probably, what, 4-inch cups?
Yeah, most of them 4-inch cups.
Throw them into 4-inch cups, and with root systems like I just saw there, let's check the ties real quick. Oh, yeah, they're nice and rooted in, too. So it won't take very long at all for these to get to a sellable size with root systems like they already have. All right, what else we got, darling?
We got a few of these.
You're not going to try to pronounce it?
No, you're a lot better at it than I am.
Paraíso verde. So that's Spanish for green paradise. But look at that cool variegated leaf. That's so pretty. I like how even the variegation's got like blocky
Yeah.
green kind of blocks. I don't know how to describe it other than that. That's pretty. I like that, Cam. How many of those do we get?
I think we got 4 of these. So
Okay.
there's that one.
And so before y'all start asking too, these will be for sale, but we're not shipping just yet. So they'll be available only here at Grassroots Yard Supply in Graniteville, South Carolina. And they won't be ready until probably gonna take about a month, I would say,
Yeah.
to get them rooted in nicely. Ooh, look at that. See how close I can get in? That is such cool variegation. These are nice looking plants, man.
They are nice. So let's see. We got
What
that
else we
one.
got, darling?
We got 2 of these.
Is that Jose?
Yep.
Jose
2 of the
Bueno.
Jose's.
Or Bono. I've heard people say it different ways. I don't really know the correct pronunciation.
This one's probably my favorite leaf of it all.
Ooh, yeah, look at that one. That is such cool variegation. I love anything variegated.
We got a new one popping out.
Oh yeah, sure do. These are going to take off, Cam.
I know, I'm
We
excited.
throw a little biotone in the 4-inch cup with them, and
Yeah.
they're going to take off. And there's our mascot. Let's go say hey to Holly real quick, and then maybe she'll shut up. But anytime I'm talking and filming, this little booger right here, hey Miss Holly, she's got a squawk too. You doing all right today? Don't bite the phone. You be good. Behave yourself. All right, no more squawking, okay? Yeah, right. As soon as I get back over here, she's probably going to start right back up. Some more Anthuriums, Miss Cam?
This is a crystal hope.
Ooh, a crystal what?
Hope. The
Oh,
leaf
the
like
hope.
shimmers. It's kind of glittery.
Oh yeah. Maybe if I move it around in the sun, yeah. Hopefully they can see the shimmeriness.
I'm definitely really excited about this one.
Yeah, that's cool.
Um,
Let's look at the root system on it too real quick. See, I told you Holly would do it.
she just can't help it.
She can't. Now she's laughing at me. Oh yeah, these got great root systems too. I'm impressed with this shipment.
I am too. And then
looks
we
nice.
got 2 of these.
Now I've never had one of these before.
I'm
and
not-
I forget the name of it.
It's Cerestus Mirabilis. Mirabilis?
Cercestus?
Cercestus.
Mirabilis? Yeah, I'm not familiar with this plant, but that's a cool looking leaf.
I know, those are really cool.
Now I wonder, is that variegated or they just grow like that?
I think they grow like that. So we ordered these because of T. She really wanted one of them.
Yeah.
She says they get really big.
Oh, nice. We'll
I
have to
haven't looked
research
into
this
them
one a
too
little
much,
bit.
but
That's cool. If any of y'all know about this plant right here, drop us a comment below and tell us a little bit, because this one's new to us, but that's a cool looking little leaf. Looks
they are
kind of
really
like
cool.
in between a syngonium and like alocasia.
Yeah, I agree. I like all the leaves seem like they're turning, like they're flipping on the end.
Yeah,
So
that's neat.
And then we got another Jopii.
Okay, good. We sold just about all of our Jopiis.
Yeah, I just put one back there that we had back here, but yeah, this will be our last one.
Yeah, I love this leaf. It just kind of gets huge down at the bottom.
Yeah, this one looks really healthy.
It does. Everything looks really healthy.
And then we got two little baby Gloriosums.
Okay. Those, you know, these have been, to be honest, a little complicated for me to grow anyway. The leaves just always want to kind of turn yellow. I don't know whether we're having moisture issues or what, but it's a beautiful leaf.
But I think this one's a little different. So they call this one the dark form.
Okay.
And the leaves look like really shimmery too in comparison to, I guess, the regular form of the Gloria.
Yeah. That's awesome. I like that one. How's the roots on it?
Pretty good.
Oh yeah, really good. These are going to take off for sure. And then
my favorite, if I don't rip a leaf.
This is what? Some more textured plant knowledge.
The Friedek, the elbow.
Yeah, that's what it is. So that's Alocasia Friedek. I don't know if it's Variegata, but that's the elbow variegated form we've got. So I bought two a long time ago. Let's see if I can zoom in. I don't have to walk over there. There's the two plants I've had for maybe a year now.
I mean, quite some time.
Yeah.
This one shot out a pup.
Yeah, they're not the fastest growers. And look at this one leaf. Hopefully the rest of the leaves won't be this white because obviously it can't feed itself. It's got a tiny bit of variegation right there, but that looks cool. Holly. She's gonna do that the entire video. Look at her. She's back there just headbanging. And now Larry's gonna chime in too. Yes, Holly, we hear you. Be quiet just a little bit, okay? You can do it. As soon as I stop recording, she'll.
And then I saved the best for last.
Uh-oh. Ooh. Now this is probably one of the most rare. This is the most rare plant, I think, that we have in the greenhouse right now. So this is what?
The red Moon Philodendron.
Yes, it is gorgeous. Now I've got one at home, and I'll go ahead and put a picture of it on the video right now and show you how vibrant these leaves can get. But from my understanding, the new growth will come out chartreuse, splashed with red. And then as the leaves get older, they'll fade all the way back to a dark green. But I've got one at home that is just showing out right now.
We have this one over here too.
Yeah, we've got, so this will make number 4 of the red moons for us. Yeah, this one's pretty, but, oh, look at that new growth coming out. Now this leaf this leaf was the latest, but look at how pitiful. You got one little bitty red streak. Looks like somebody just marked it with an ink pen. The one I've got at home, it's quite the opposite. As you see in the picture, it's more all red with just a little bit of chartreuse. And then the new leaf coming out looks like it's got a good bit of red in it. I'm trying to stay as still as I can without shaking too bad. But that one should be a nice leaf coming out there. So the red Moon Philodendron we'll have available here soon too, guys, at Grassroots.
So this one's my favorite plant. I just got one recently from here actually.
You did, didn't you?
And so these haven't really done it, but they come out like a light pink, like the sheath is down here, and then they'll go to like a lime green, and then down here you'll have the darker green. So what is this one again? It's the golden crocodile.
Golden crocodile. So this is a philodendron as well, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's beautiful. I love the serrated leaves on it. That's just a neat plant.
I definitely have to stake mine up at home. It's gotten to about this size, but I don't have a stake in it. So
yeah, we need to add a moss pole in there, don't we?
We do.
Lots of aerial roots coming off of her.
Probably needs to be repotted, honestly.
Yeah, I agree. That's a pretty sizable
We've
plant.
had this for a long time, and I haven't moved it up. But
and they stay chartreuse, don't they? Pretty much.
What? The leaves?
The color, yeah.
Oh. I mean, they'll go from that pink color. The sheaths will stay, but then they'll fade to this like darker green. So it goes that pink, then like a yellow, and then like a darker.
Darker, but not near as dark as like the red moon.
Oh yeah, definitely not.
So it stays somewhat
like a lime green color.
Yeah, that's a pretty plant. And so while we're in the jungle, guys, let's go ahead. We'll just take a quick walk around and see how everything is growing. You know, like I told you in past videos, my dream is to just get this place just a canopy growing all up on the ceiling and just a jungle everywhere. We've got a big, nice painted lady, philodendron right here, and then this pink princess who is just about, well, actually just a little bit taller than me. She has done really good out here in the jungle. Some beautiful pink variegation. We got that monster tie over there against the wall. Oh, and check this out. One of our Phalaenopsis orchids is blooming up here on our driftwood mount. I want to put some more orchids all over that. I had one up at the very top, but I don't know, he kind of fell off of there. So still got a good bit to do out here, but it's been spring, it's been crazy busy. We just hadn't had time to do everything that I want to do. Right, Miss Scarlett? You gonna say anything today? Or do it like normal and not say anything? Okay, that's what I figured. And a nice orchid blooming right here. I believe this is a dendrobium. Might be telling you guys wrong. I'll have to look that up. But nonetheless, beautiful flower on that orchid. Larry's coming over to say hello. Hey, buddy. How are you doing today, Mr. Larry? You being bad, per usual? Don't you bite me. Then we had a 50% off sale on our Monsteras here recently, so we sold a lot of our Monsteras, but still have some nice albos left. Big ring of fire right there. Lots of different philodendrons just everywhere. So if y'all are in driving distance, then please come see us. If you're not, then now'd be a great time to hit that like and subscribe and the little notification bell. We're gonna just keep pumping out content for you guys. Drop us a comment. We'd love to get your mail. And we hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope you're doing fantastic this spring. And always remember, the more you know, the more you grow. See you on the next video, y'all.